Okay, read and
Yes, I made a host. Yeah, I made a host.
Okay, let me share my screen. So I could able to download, import it, and able to read this Apple product.
Okay. What you have done? Yeah, what you have done in df equal to, right? What is that? Just read the error.
Name error.
Name error. So trace back most recent call lost. I mean
Name head is
Python
not defined.
head is not defined, right? So okay, there are many possibilities how to resolve this error. Okay, okay. Just try. Okay. In df equal to, there is no space. That is one kind of thing. In df equal to, before I mean after df the line, we haven't given any space. If you give space, just give any kind of just take a reference towards the older code. Go to the copy of iPhone data analysis. Just see the reference point.
df dot. Okay.
Okay. So you have to, yeah, this is just a matter of, yeah. There is no df equal to head. If it is equal to head means you have to define it.
Correct.
You know, because since we already defined what is PD, PD is nothing but pandas. It is, we already imported it. So if you are giving equal to, then it is, you have to define it. Right?
Okay. So we are doing analysis on the particular file. So we are directly going to dot. Yeah. So we are going directly into the dot. Okay. Got it.
Same code I have given. But for me, it is showing that file not found.
So bring that file. Yeah, bring that file again.
Yeah,
like
we have to, because this is a different screen.
The session, different session.
Yeah, correct.
So bring the file means I should go and upload again?
Yes, you have to upload again.
Okay.
Now I'll make you host.
Yeah. Let me share.
So, yeah, I made the host. Awesome.
Yeah, so here, can you see my screen?
Yes, I.
Yeah.
Like this I have given. If I'm running this, this is not coming. So just I have to go here.
Yes,
click.
you have to import.
Open. Okay.
Now run.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, got it.
Yeah. So one more thing here I wanted to tell you. It is not only for you are spending money with me. You are spending your precious time with me. So please, whatever I'm giving you the homework, whatever I'm giving you a lot of things, you have to work on. Find out a time, even though if you don't have time, because it is work, and you know what I'm talking about right now. After starting the mission learning process, why you are here and why you are learning, everything has a reason for it. It is not just about anything under one single thing. No, there should be a reason why you are here. So please, every day whatever I'm giving, you just follow whatever I'm just talking. Just work on whatever I'm giving you the assignment, so that you will become one of the important resources in AI. Okay. Right. So that's right. Next thing, just type the other thing, other information very fast, very fast. Now you can just type. Don't copy paste. Don't do that.
df dot. So you want to count, right?
Yes, df.count. df.count. So yes,
Yeah,
you
I
are not
got.
got it right. Super.
Mm.
MRP. I mean the maximum rate, the maximum MRP, minimum MRP, everything.
df dot.
df
Okay.
not dot, df off.
df. Okay,
off.
that square bracket.
Yeah, you have to, yeah, square bracket. So everything has a
The
reason.
normal bracket we can give, no? So only the square bracket
No,
it will take.
only the square bracket. Only the square bracket.
Oh, okay.
That's a reason. Because
The
we are
quote.
not,
Oh,
yeah, we haven't started from the Python from the beginning. We've yet to start from the beginning. So
correct.
I wanted to give.
Need to understand the rules.
Yes,
Rules
yeah,
of.
the rules. Yeah. So straight away we are what we are doing. Straight away we are executing. We straight away we are into action
What is the code? DF?
of square bracket. DF of square bracket, not of on the function, square bracket MRP within quotes or
MRP.
dot max.
In that, we need to get the maximum value, right? So then you have to put equal to or
Dot.
Okay. Dot. Max.
Max function. So wherever you are
Max.
just, function, it is very simple bracket, simple brace. Okay.
Our function will be single bracket.
Yeah.
Okay.
So MRP is you are referring the particular this variable name.
Okay. So if you want to mention any variable name, put the square bracket. You want the function, normal bracket we can execute. Okay.
Now Sai was asking one question. Is it mandate we need to refer, mention the single quote or double quote? Just try with a double quote here. DF of double quotes MRP.
It is not taking the grid. Oh, it is taking. Okay.
Just try. Right. So everything, I mean, we are going to discuss data. We are in the data field and we are just going to discuss a statistical thing. So we have to tell in with numbers. No, we don't want to get any assumption.
It is taking. It's double quote also fine.
Okay. This is how we have to make all your questions live actions. If you are just whatever you are thinking, just check it out and freeze the questions. Don't keep all the questions in your mind. Okay, so it is taking. So it is giving you the value, right?
Value, yes.
1,49,900. That's the maximum value. And then try to find out the minimum value of the same MRP.
Okay, let me just add that. DF. In the same MRP only?
Yes. And if you want, you can just play around after the session.
Okay.
Each and every numeric value, numeric of all those things, you can just check it out. And each and every variable name, you can check the data type too.
Yeah, it's getting value.
Okay. What are we trying now? Minimum, maximum, I understood. Head, I understood.
Right? Okay, you understood, right? Okay, so right now, I want to know the product name of this maximum MRP. Okay, so this is the syntax of this data frame of MRP. There is a double equal to. Now, double equal to means I want that listed. I want that product name in the output. This is how you have to represent in Python. Just get me the value of this. I'm just showing it in the screen.
DF.
of df.
df of
Again, you have to do again. Yeah, data frame.
that mean square bracket. Okay.
Yes, square bracket. Square bracket.
In that df again of MRP.
MRP. You have to close that square bracket for MRP.
Okay. Oh, it is only showing double equal to. Double equal to
the value. So 1,49,900.
1,49,000. 49,900. And then we have to close this one. Okay.
Bracket, yes, square bracket.
Oh yeah.
Of df.
We'll get two value we're getting.
Yes. So to product name has been listed. Sai, are you getting?
No, I'm just writing MRP. We have to give two double
Yes, two
equal
equal.
to 149900.
That means I'm referring only that value. Don't take any other value. I'm just giving the information to the machine. Don't
Yeah,
give.
giving me now two product lines are there.
Oh.
Okay, 24th row and 41st row. Okay.
So now you got something about this, right? So the rest of the thing, just you analyze greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. There are so many analysis you will be able to do. And also see this list of data frame, the product name, uppercase value. I wanted to be only listed. That means, the uppercase product name, which has the value of 0. So what is that? That means the first product name should be listed in uppercase. So the data set, it's already we have got, and it is something. I'm just changing the inner value of data. I mean the way data. I'm not changing anything. I'm just changing the data itself. If it has been referred like anything else, or maybe in the lower case, I'm just changing here like an uppercase. Did you get it? Did you get the point? So I'm just changing the value of this particular
Zero
variable's
is
value.
the row number, right? Zero is the row number.
Yeah, the index start from the first, like how we are getting over here. The head, the first, this product. See, this product is already like iPhone. I is the small character. Phone. P is the uppercase, and then it is mix and match of all these things, right? Now I'm getting only the Apple iPhone 8 plus Go. Everything is uppercase.
So here, Srinivas, like now we are particularly making one observation into uppercase. Now I want to make the whole column. I just remove that zero and just put dot upper column. It becomes the whole column becomes the uppercase.
Yes, try. Whatever you are thinking right now, is it possible to make the entire thing? If you are making the entire thing, then it will be right.
Is
If
there
I
any
be
range
able
we have to give, or we have to put only in the square bracket put
okay.
blank value?
So now I'm going to introduce one error handling methodology, or whatever I mean, right now your mind is working like, okay, what I can do? Like, can I change the entire thing? Can I just do the only for this kind of a range, or only within this value? Just type over here in ChatGPT. take the help right now. Okay. So maybe Sai, if you are thinking those kind of things, I mean, this is how you have to use, because we are in this AI, learning AI module, you have to make use of all the available tools that are available in front of you. So right now, Sai, just let me know your question. Maybe, can I change the entire
column
values into uppercase in Python? Actually, I mean, this is how you will type in ChatGPT, right?
Yeah.
This is how, right? But actually,
yes.
Now I'm going to give you one more the fine-tune technique. This should not be the case, and this is not the right prompt. Not only for this, for any kind of a situation, this is not the right prompt. So what we have to do, you have to let ChatGPT know what you are trying. That means you have to give your situation. Without that situation, ChatGPT will give you very vague or generic responses. ChatGPT has the potential of, the huge potential of giving you the right information. But what many people, what they are doing, whatever you are thinking, we'll be typing it and we are getting it, right? It will give something, some information, maybe 60% right information. Most often, it is not the case. So what we have to do, you have to give your situation. What I'm new to Python, and I'm trying to read in the data set. I've started learning basics of Python by analyzing the data set. Now, can I change so this is a kind of maybe 70% fine-tuned information that you are just giving as a prompt. Okay, so I'm just giving. Okay, even still, there are so many improvement should be done in this prompt. Even in my knowledge, this is not the 100% right prompt, but still this is fine for the time being. We can save something. Okay, I'm just giving. Okay. Because I used ChatGPT like anything. Let me try over here, otherwise Google Gemini. This is Gemini environment. So it is giving you some of the informations with the, so can I change the entire column values into uppercase in Python, and they are giving you with the code. Okay, so Google Gemini is best known or best known tool for working on coding. ChatGPT is like, for a lot of purposes, you can use ChatGPT. Even that is best, one of the best tools available. But for the coding purpose, any coding for that matter, Google Gemini would be the other go-to tool you can work on. Okay, so now you are getting the Python information along with some data and everything. Let's see. So it is possible, and how it is possible, and they are giving you with the example. Okay, And also they are giving use code with caution, because sometimes it won't work in, just like that. We have to take care of a lot of things. See, import pandas as PD, and you can just input. You can create some, you feed some input data, and then you can just get into this. So it seems okay. And what I'm trying to do right now, I'm just copy. Just so here, I mean, in this, I mean, today, what we are learning how to read in the data set and how to analyze the data set. We are not only touched the introduction. Okay, just bear in mind, keep this in mind, so that we'll be able to learn more things in the coming classes. Okay, I'm just setting up your mind to work on how to enable that and how to analyze any data set. Okay, I think you got something. Now I'm just making you slowly see my entire learning process. Like I make you independent. Independent means even in your work environment, even, I mean, whether it be in your current company or if you are going for something, it doesn't matter. Okay, wherever you are, you will work as an independent resource in your, I mean, wherever you are working. That is what my goal is, and that is how we have to also think. The similar way, if you follow my instructions very carefully, and you will become like me. Okay. So you got something right. So now each and everything, in front of you, there are so many things available, but don't delve deeper into all these so many things, so many tools. But take the help of with very limited resources. Okay. Otherwise, you will just be forgotten in your in any forest. Yes, it's an ocean. Machine learning, it's an ocean, like SAS. Even if you are not focusing on SAS within one particular thing, you will be lost. Similar case, it will be applied in machine learning, and this is like anything. Now it is the ocean for all the verticals, all the domains. Okay, so it is possible, and whatever you are, questions you are just thinking to ask, please ask the questions and note down these questions in your notebook. Okay, and also keep a question bank in Google Docs or worksheet or something, wherever it is possible, so that you can copy paste. Even you can just try assemble this prompting. Okay, so now you are not only learning machine learning, it is like prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is also a emerging opportunity. Okay, so keep that in mind, and this is also we are on side by side we are just learning how to give the promptness. The prompting is very um, time consuming process actually. So we have to think and we have to write. I mean, tool is there everywhere, right? But how to use that? People should know how to use the tool in the right manner, so that you can impact or you can do the potential information, or you become a potential resource in your office or in your work environment. Okay, so this is one thing, right? Yeah, so just do the next process. Okay, okay, the uppercase, the lower case, and then yeah, you can just trying to get the product name, and then the model name or product name, and then you can list down. Okay, so here is a thing. Maybe make a note of it. Okay, what they are doing. just make this as a homework. Okay. The model name equal to the product name dot string of 6:15. Even just to see this product name 51 6:15. What is this? The 51 place, the 51st place where it is just getting red. Okay. Just keep it in mind, and rest of the thing, make the assignment and make it as a homework. Now I just give you the introduction of Python. Is that fine? The rest of the thing, just make this one, two, yeah, two things, ascending order and descending order, and all these things. Okay, make these two things as a homework. Simple thing.
Just like a scan function, right, Sunny? 6 to 15.
Kind
That
of.
mean.
Yeah, you have to start from the 6th position and end
15
with the 15th position. So if you don't have an idea, what you have to do, just copy this code and give it to ChatGPT or Google Gemini. Just explain this code, ask along with the situation, and then it will just give you the explanation. Because we have to go a long way within the specified time, right? We have to do the machine learning, we have to do the statistical models, we have to go for the deep learning. There are so many things. So we can't do the entire thing within our 60 hours, right? So we have to go a long way. So that I
So
want to make,
before that, do we need to know the what is that rules and the Python?
yes,
Like
yeah.
Okay.
That is what I'm just going to tell you next steps. Okay, so this is about how you have to analyze and how you are going to do all these things, right? Now we wanted to learn the Python from the beginning. Okay. Now I will share this. Okay, open that code. Now we are coming to the introduction to the Python. So open that and keep it in a screen. Ready?
Let me download the file.
Okay, so it is a Python is nothing but it is a general purpose programming language, and it is an interpreted and not compiled. So it is same like SAS. Okay. SAS is also an interpreter. It is not a compiler like C program. Okay. That means it is reading line by line. Like SAS programming, Python programming too, it is reading line by line. Okay. And it is both dynamically typed and strongly typed. What is meant by dynamically typed and strongly typed? It is like, it is just reading the first word and also the second word and third word, like that. And it is just, it is taking you with, it is not going to take like, a static, it won't stay like, static thing. It is also working a dynamic sense. That means it reads the sense of your programming, what you are giving as a to review or response back to your environment. That means it is giving you all the possible ways and means so that whatever you are requesting to the programming environment, it makes sense for you. Okay. It is not just, that is why your language models like ChatGPT or any kind of the language models, right now you are just interacting with whatever you type, it will just, it is trying to give something. That means it is trying to understand the intent or the context of the user, the same way Python will make it, but SAS won't make. Okay. And it supports multiple programming paradigms. Okay. Multiple programming paradigms, wherever you think you can make use of. Whatever the possible way. Even you can think of, okay, can I use this environment? Yes. Can I use that environment? Can I use this OS? Can I use this, this OS won't support, it will support anywhere you are going from. And it is also an object oriented, it is a functional. It is like any other language, it is also having the object oriented programming, functions, procedures, whatever you think, everything is there in Python. Okay. So this is like the two main versions, 2.7 and 3.x. So now whatever you are seeing this environment, it is a 3.7. Okay. And one more thing I wanted to give you. And right now you are reading this in the same environment, right? You won't read these kind of things in SAS or any other languages, but Python, it's possible. You can read a note and you can run the code in the same similar environment. No other environment that will be giving such an environment. Even if you just make this kind of a notebook in Jupyter Notebook, it will be really possible. And you can also make this kind of notebook like this. You can also make a note, and you can also make a code like this, and you will be able to run this. So you can see this tools. You can also go to the settings. You can also go to the insert section, code cell, right? Code cell. If you go to the code cell, it will become a programming environment. If you go to the text cell, it will become like a reading your note. Okay. So likewise, you can just make use of double purpose or multi-purpose. You can read. Also, you can run the program. That's what you are seeing the screen right now. So the Python's interactive console, the interpreter, Python interpreter is a console that allows interactive development. We are currently using the Jupyter Notebook, which uses an advanced Python interpreter called IPython, and we are using Colab. Okay. So this Colab is used as power and much more power and flexibility. Okay. So before coming into this Hello Data World, we have already executed few things in our experience, the first experience, right? Now, as usual with any language, we start with the print function. So print function, how it prints, and you can see. Maybe you can type in your you just opened this information on the programming file. Again, make a new programming file. Print this hello statement, hello data world or something, and see or visualize how it just prints the data. Okay, right. So from the next class, what we are going to learn: Python basics, strings, numbers, data types and data structures. Data structures is very important. Okay, dictionaries, I mean list, dictionaries, and sets. These are all three important and major sets, and you will never forget. And then the programming, how you have to construct the program, right, with the else statements or loop statement, and then comprehensions, exception handling, modules, packages, and input and output operations. Okay. Any questions? Yes, ask me. And I will try to send this as a drive. Okay. So the entire code for Python. So this will go for maybe tomorrow. I think this will go for two. This is 1 week, right? Next and next. So for 3 weeks we have to see the Python, and then only we will go for our mission lab.
So tomorrow we will be starting with the complete basics of Python and everything.
Yes. So chapter 1, we'll go fast because about SAS programming. This programming is very interesting, and you will also side by side. You will also type, and you will also do the exercises along with me. After that exercises tomorrow, and I will give you homework on how to. Okay, I will just make simple game. There are so many things in Python. Trust me, if you are very much eager, your entire time will be gone learning Python and other stuff because that much interest will people. Okay, so there are so many things. We see games in Python, and also yeah. So this link we'll be seeing very often in future towards datascience.com. This is in this link there are so much researchers will be there. Their articles we are going to see a lot, and this has some limitations because in a week we will be able to open only three. I mean, we will be able to read only 3 or 4 articles in a week. Okay, so you can also make this kind of a game: introduction to Tinker, flow diagram of the game, structure of the code, tic-tac-toe games, dots and boxes, snake and apple games. This is really, I mean, this is why Python is becoming more and more impactful medium for the youngsters, for the more developers. That is why machine learning just adopted this Python programming for their betterment. Okay, so if you see this really amazing things, you can also get the code, and you can also get the entire data, the code structure, the informations, and you'll be able to do a lot of interactive games. Okay. Just send you this in chat. And I will send you this recordings for free, and you can take the reference. And I'll keep on sending this.